Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play Unrated on lichess.org. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you in your PC, or whatever you're working with. Could be Google Chrome, could be Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, or any other browser, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. Once you open your browser, simply go to this URL section and type lichess.org and hit the enter button. That should take you to this page, which is going to be the home screen or the main screen of lichess.org. Of course, here, the first thing that you would like to do is just go to the top right corner option sign in and click on it so you can actually sign in into your account if you have one. If you don't have an account, make sure to go and click on register so you can actually create an account in here. So for me, let me do that and I'm coming back. So once you're logged in or sign in or even create an account, you'll find yourself with this home screen or this main screen on the list on the lichess.org website. And of course, you'll find your username here at the top right corner. That means you're signed in. And from here, you can do a lot of other stuff. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, I would like to show you how to play Unrated. And of course, if you want to do that, as you can see, don't use this quick parent table because that will take you into the rated games directly. If you want to play unrated games or standard ones, you can simply go to this right panel here and click on create a game. From here, make sure to do not choose rated, choose casual. Once you click on casual, choose if you want to play as white, as black or white does not matter. Let me choose this as an example. And here, as you can see, we can wait just until we play against someone, and now we can play our casual chess. As you can see, we can actually start playing without any problem. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.